7.4 question number 7. Let A 4, 2, B 6, 5 and C 1, 4 be the vertices of triangle ABC. Then 5 sub questions are asked in 5 different parts of this question. First part is the median from A meets BC at a point D. Find the coordinates of the point D. So here in figure ABC is a triangle with 3 vertices 4, 2, 6, 5 and 1, 4. AD is drawn median of triangle ABC from vertex A to meet BC at point D. So here in first part it is given that AD is a median of triangle ABC which meets BC at point D. So we have to find coordinates of point D, which is midpoint of BC, because median is the line segment joining midpoint of a side to its opposite vertex. Here AD is median, so D is midpoint of side BC. Therefore, coordinates of point D are, D being midpoint of BC, we are going to use coordinates of midpoint of a line segment joining two given points x1, y1, x2, y2, and that formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So coordinates of midpoint D of line segment BC joining points B and C will be 6 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 4 by 2, and this is 7 by 2, 9 by 2. So this is first part, coordinates of midpoint D of side BC. Now second part, find the coordinates of point P which divides the median AD in the ratio of 2:1. That is, there is a point P on the median AD which divides AD such that AP is to PD is equal to 2:1. So second part, AP is to PD is equal to 2:1, and we have to find coordinates of this point P which divides AD, the median AD of triangle ABC, in the ratio 2:1. So here we are going to use section formula to find coordinates of this point P which divides AD, a line segment joining two points A and D, in the ratio of 2:1. Coordinates of point D are 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. Point P divides AD internally in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, coordinates of point P using section formula are m1 plus x2 2 into 7 by 2 plus m2 into x1 1 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1, 2 into 9 by 2 plus 1 into 2 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1. This is equal to 2 to cancel 7 plus 4 11 by 3. Here 2 to cancel 9 plus 2 11 by 3. So coordinates of this point P, which divides the median AD in the ratio of 2:1, are 11 by 3, 11 by 3. Now third part. Find the coordinates of the points Q and R on the medians BE and CF respectively, such that BQ is to QE is equal to 2:1 and CR is to RF also equal to 2:1. So now BE is median, BE and CF are medians. Therefore, E and F are midpoints of sides AC and AB respectively. So coordinates of point E are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 and 2 plus 4 6 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2, and this is equal to 5 by 2, 3. Coordinates of F which is midpoint of side AB, 4 plus 6 by 2 2 plus 5 by 2 equal to 10 by 2 5, 7 by 2. Now we shall find the coordinates of a point Q on the median BE, which divides it in the ratio of 2:1. So coordinates of point Q are, here we are going to use section formula. Coordinates of E 5 by 2, 3, coordinates of F 5, 7 by 2. So let us write coordinates of point Q using section formula, which divides median BE in the ratio of 2:1. So 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1 into 6 by 2 plus 1, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. By 2 plus 1. This 2 cancel, 6 plus 5, 11 by 3, 2 3 is 6 plus 5, 11 by 3. So coordinates of point Q on the median BE, dividing it in the ratio 2:1 is also 11 by 3, 11 by 3. Now coordinates of point R we are going to find, which divides the median CF in the ratio 2:1. So coordinates of R. Use section formula 2 into 5. Median is CF. Point R is on the median CF, which divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So 2 into 5 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 5 is 10 plus 1 11 by 3. Here 2 cancel, 7 plus 4 11 by 3. So coordinates of point R dividing median CF in the ratio 2:1 is also are also 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Fourth part, what do you observe? In second part, we found the coordinates of a point P on the median AD dividing it in the ratio 2:1 are 11 by 3, 11 by 3. In third part, we found the coordinates of a point Q which divides the median BE in the ratio 2:1 are also 11 by 3, 11 by 3. And the coordinates of a point R which divides median CF in the ratio 2:1 are also 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. That means a point which divides any of the three medians or all the three medians of a triangle in the ratio 2:1 is common point of the three medians. In second and third part, points P, Q and R actually coincide at the point 11, 3, 11, 3, and in fact points P, Q and R are the same point. This point of concurrence of three medians of a triangle is known as centroid of the triangle. So we find that points P, Q and R coincide at 11 by 3, 11 by 3 and actually they are the same point of concurrence of medians of triangle ABC. This common point of three medians is called centroid of the triangle. If A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are the vertices of triangle ABC, find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle. So here in figure, ABC is a triangle with coordinates of three vertices x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Let AD, BE and CF are the three medians with point of concurrence, that is centroid of the triangle G. So let AD, BE and CF are medians of triangle ABC with the point G as centroid of triangle ABC. AD is median, so let us first find coordinates of point D, which will be midpoint of BC. So therefore coordinates of D are x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Coordinates of midpoint of line segment BC joining points x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now the centroid G divides the median AD in the ratio of 2:1. Centroid G of triangle ABC divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, using section formula, coordinates of point G, which is centroid of the triangle ABC, are. Section formula we will use. Two into x2 plus x3 by 2, 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 2 plus 1. This 2 cancel, here also 2 cancel. x1 plus x2 plus 1 into x1, that is x1 by 3. So this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the coordinate of this point G which divides the median AD in the ratio of 2:1. Similarly, this point G will divide the second median BE in the same ratio 2:1, and coordinates of this point G with respect to this median BE also will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Considering this third median CF, this point G divides in the ratio 2:1. So using section formula, if you find coordinates of this point G for this third median CF, dividing it in the ratio 2:1, then also you will get the same coordinates x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, because centroid is the point of intersection of three medians, dividing the three medians in the ratio of 2:1. So actually centroid is a common point of three medians. So that is why coordinates of centroid of this triangle ABC with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 2. So hence the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, and this completes question number